Listening. Hello, and welcome to what is a very special show, because we're going to find out the results of our poll. Tom Brewer from the Discovery Channel is here to tell us who the greatest American of all time is. Hello, Tom.
Hi there.
So, let's look at the top 5, Tom.
All right. Well, number 5 on the list is, in fact, Ben Franklin.
Okay, I'm not surprised.
I'm not either. Did you know that he was the owner of a newspaper, the Pennsylvania Gazette, at the age of 22? Or that he was an expert swimmer?
No, I didn't know that. Very interesting. But who is number 4?
Well, number 4 is George Washington.
Ah, yes, George Washington. Tell us something about him.
Well, he was born in Virginia on February 22nd, 1732. He was the first president of the U.S. He died in 1779 at the age of 67.
Okay. Who's next?
Number 3 on the list is Martin Luther King, Jr.
Yes, he was an amazing person.
That's right. So let me tell you about him. He was born on January 15th, 1929 in Atlanta, Georgia. He was famous because he was one of the leaders of the U.S. Civil Rights Movement. He was killed on April 4th, 1968. He was only 39 years old.
Yes, that was tragic. So, number 2?
Number 2 is Abraham Lincoln, the 12th President of the U.S.
Really? Tell us about him.
Well, he was born on February 12th in 1809. He was president during the American Civil War, and he was killed on April 15th, 1865. He wasn't very old when he died, only 56.
Okay. And now for the moment we've been waiting for. Who is the greatest American of all time? Who is at the top of the list?
Well, I'll give you a clue. It's a man. He was born on February 6th, 1911, and died in 2004. He was an actor and a U.S. president.
I knew it! It's Ronald Reagan.
That's right. Ronald Reagan is the greatest American of all time. Americans voted for Reagan because jobs were good and salaries were high when he was president.
Tom Brewer, thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure.